April 24th, card opening. It's Blaster Saturday. Got Heritage Blaster today. We'll open up and I'll go for a couple cards. 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. 94 Studio. 4, 2, 4. We have a update. Put some new cards in there here. Start with Studio. Palmero right on top. Rockies walked it off. They're on a winning streak of 3 games. We got a Studio masterpiece in here. This one's a little stickier than the typical. Andre Dawson, who are you sticking to? There we go. Okay. Palmero. Sandberg, that's what I thought. Is he golden? JT Snow, that's his rookie, I found out. Jordan Bell. Ricky Henderson, yep. Will Cordero. King, Jeff King. Tim Salmon. I guess I can see Andre Dawson now I stare at it. That's a flaring Eric Anthony and Barry Bonds. Not a bad pack. I'll check out that JT Snow. His base one that I pulled yesterday was about $1.50. I opened plenty of update. Really haven't pulled a real banger. I have a complete set. It's probably a short print. 01631. We got a short print. Miggy. Brady Senior. Castellanos. Joey Votto. David Ortiz. Zach Greinke. Peter Lambert. Clayton Kershaw. Before we get to the short print, make sure there isn't any other rookie cards here. There is not. Miguel Cabrera, short print there. Nice card. Probably going to be the card of the day, unless the blaster box comes up with it. So I've now pulled 4 short prints of update, and I've probably opened probably near as much as 2021 and never pulled a single short print. One more time. 9. I'm trying to clear this out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 17. Good pulls last night. Last night was Lacerda, Mitch Hainer, and Trey Mancini. Big Sexy. He was on the Braves, was he? I did not know he was on the Braves. Danny Valentino, Derek, Mike Piazza, Old School Phil, Bob Costas, Tom Henneke, Rediscovered Tops. This, if I remember, this is interesting. So this is the reprint, but this is an old, actual 1987 Topps that they reclaimed and reset. Max. That's interesting. We'll see what the pull rate of that is. Coda Glover, Sean Mallory, Luis Andionos, or Duzio. I think that Coda Glover is the only one that's a rookie. It is. Okay, let me look here. Just see it right there. We have a Topps buyback 1 in 6. It's right by the Topps Now code. Okay. Not bad. Piazza looks good, and the Henneke is kind of interesting. I don't hate the buyback cards. Give you something interesting in Bob Costa. Sure. Sure, they say. Trying to get real. So we pulled that black card a couple days ago. That was out of 50. That's amidst of we've really had some good pulls lately. Here we got the Bowman Chrome, Jason Dominguez. It started retail 9. I don't know what we're looking for here. I had a short print here, not the short print like over 400, but like a action variation, a French backing, Evan White, Missing Stars, nickname. Nothing like that. Boxer. Got our first short print, a rookie. Giolito. I have a short print of his rookie too. Some Batten. Kibron Hayes. Nate Pearson. Alec Baum, Spencer Howard. Alec Baum is getting a lot of playtime. Bryce Harper, Then and Now. That means there's going to be no short print here. Good cards there. Put them in a good pile. We'll review them all in the end. We have some kids incoming here. Some medals. Christian Pache in action. Jose Rios. Polanco, Rob Grossman, Sean Brady, Ryan McBoom. Nothing specific there, besides the Christian Pache. Yeah, but I'm getting serious jealousy going on when I see some of the sick pulls they've had in here. I haven't even pulled a foil. Pete Alonso, he said he's committing to the playing the home run derby. Good for him. I think home run people should defend their crown. Kind of disappointing when no one else really wanted to. Tommy Hunter, short print. Not much going on there. Still not another hot blaster box. What does one have to do to get a blaster box in this world? Castle Dalbec. That's the one you pulled that was good. Great one, Clemente. That shunts our chances for a short print there. Two more packs. Feels like a short print. Yep, Ty France. I have a rookie auto of him. I pulled him in that Panini Chronicles set. He's been appearing a few more different places before, and I never even heard of him. It's a card we're sitting on though, I guess. Last pack. Joey Bart in action. That's it. So again, another blaster. Some decent good cards there. Good rookies. No foils. Just a black parallel, which I think came out of my hobby. So Joey Bart in action, Ty France short print, Clemente insert, Mountcastle Dalbec, Tommy Hunter short print, Christian Pache insert, Alec Baum, Spencer Howard, Nate Pearson, Cabron Hayes, Brad Boxinger, and Evan White. So, good stack of rookies. About 3 short prints, which is better. Remember, my first one had 1, I think maybe 2. Now I think I look back at it. And 2 inserts, Roberto Clemente, and then and now Joe Morgan, Bryce Harper, which I think I have already. Other than that, Bob Costas, Mike Piazza, buyback of Tom Henneke, Coda Glover, and finally Miguel Cabrera short print. Nice looking card, nice photo. Ray Senior first round, Barry Bonds, Andre Dawson, Ricky Henderson, JT Snow, rookie heritage, and Ryan Sandberg. You all have a good Saturday.